Trust me when I say that you don't need hundreds or even if thousands of dollars just for art supplies. All you need is the right art supply. And in this today's video, we are going to find if these cheap oil pastels can make world-class art. These are Faber Castell's 15 oil pastels. Yeah, mine is toned later.
The reason I am making this video is in my college, we had a drawing competition for the Independence Day. Everyone was interested and enthusiastic, and so am I. The competition has started and everyone got into drawing. And I poured my 1500 rupees Ohuhu markers and started coloring in. Everyone was so impressed, including the supervisor. Cut the scene. I did not win the competition because I couldn't submit the drawing on time. However, the guy who won the competition used cheap crayons and I used costly alcohol markers. So clearly it's not about what supplies you use, but how well you use them. The one common thing I saw in their drawings were they all used cheap paints and crayons. But it's not because the cheap paints or crayons they used, but they didn't know how to use those in a better way. So I'm starting this series of videos where I try, review and share things I learned about cheap art supplies. So subscribe and click the...
First, let's make a color swatch and get a feel of the colors. I have zero experience in using these oil pastels, so it's going to be fun because I will be sharing my mistakes and learnings from them. So stick till the end. First, I'll try. First, I am trying a pink color. How do we have to use it? I'm putting too much pressure. Yeah, it's nice. I don't see. It feels okay to use. It's really satisfying. Let me try another color. Maybe light blue. I want to change the paper because the paper is really smooth, and what if we try a different paper that is opposite to smooth? I have a chart paper which has two sides, one with smooth side and another with more texture to it. So let's try texture side. I know you guys may be thinking, why is he using pink color the most time? Because this pink color is my niece's favorite color. So the color is really great, I have to say. And but yeah, of course the oil pastel feels nice, but do I prefer the smooth paper? The textured paper leaves places like pigments here and there, so it's not completely filling, so I feel like I prefer the smooth paper. Let us put our oil pastels into the blending test. Blending means mixing. When we make art, for example, a sunset scenery, you would like to mix two colors for the sky, like orange and yellow. The point where the two colors mix must be smooth. It is known as blending. Pick up a color. I am choosing a dark green. Lay down the colors with heavy pressure on the pastel and slowly remove the pressure, that is, use light pressure at the end. This makes smooth color transition. Repeat the same with the other color. In this case, it is light green. Again, heavy pressure to light pressure. Slowly mix two colors. There are different techniques to blend. The tool you need to blend is your finger. Just rub between the colors and make a smooth transition. I personally don't recommend this technique because of some professional brands can have toxic elements in the oil pastel, but something like these cheap ones, don't worry. Just make sure you wash your hands after using your fingers for the blending. The alternative choice of blending is using simple earbuds or tissue paper. Now we have learned about the colors and blending techniques. Let's put everything that we have learned into the test. I am following Zin Art shot. First, I am picking a light blue color and coloring in with a space left for a cloud. In that shot, he coloring the cloud with a red color and on top of the red color, he colors in with a peach color. Now I am trying to blend. Wait. The blending is not smooth. Genuinely, it's even worse. I apologize, but in the half of the process, I'm losing interest, and these oil pastels are not made for world class art. As matter of fact, it's not even good option for intermediate artists. Trust me, these are very cheap and this doesn't even blend. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I don't want to work with these anymore. I had expectations to create a beautiful scenery, but I can't use this anymore. Hence, I'm just making a flag without blending. That is it. These are $1 oil pastels, and I think these are more suitable for kids. These are not for professionals.